Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donna, the Blissful Planner. Today I would like to do a currently page in my social media planner for February. This is a classic vertical size planner. This is primarily used only for my social media. And I just wanted to do just a currently page. I haven't done that, I think, but maybe once before. And I'm not sure on that. This has a lot of stuff to cover up. And, you know, as we get into our planners in January, I'm sure everybody has those moments when they're like, what planner should I use? What planner should I use for what? Should I use just one planner? And so what I have found is I do love the classic vertical. I think all in all, it is my favorite layout of planner. I'm loving the dashboard for different reasons. And here's what I wish I would have done, but I'm not going to, because once I do something, I stick with it. I'm not going to change something out just because, well, you know, this would work better. But really, it's tit for tat. It really doesn't matter. So my dashboard planner is my catch-all. That's what I put everything in. And I also have a dashboard personal size planner for my purse. My classic vertical is what's left of the last 6 months of my 18-month classic vertical planner. So it's just for 6 months, folks. So I think I can handle another 4 months. I think I'll be all right. So I wish I would do dashboard for my social media, and I wish I would have done classic vertical for my catch-all, but I digress. So I have pre-pulled some stuff. There's a lot of busyness here. And I know that Happy Planner has some planners out there that are more neutral, and that's fabulous. I wish they would come up with one that was just seriously all black and white. Everything in it, black and white. Or like white and beige. I mean, just super neutral. And that would be great. The cover would, you know, what it would be awesome. This is my wish list, okay? I'd love to have all black and white inside or all beige and white inside, and I would like them to offer custom covers for the people that want those neutral planners. Would that not be perfect? Okay, enough. Pre-pulled, here we go. Looking a little colorful. Yes, I know. All right. What I'm hoping for here is that when I pull these stickers up, we don't end up having a hot mess. So, you know, as you guys know, I work full-time. So I try to plan after work, and I'm trying to watch some videos on Cane Master. That's the program that I use. And I'm trying to learn, you know, new techniques for filming and editing and stuff like that. And it takes lots of time. You know, I'm not going to lie. It's a lot. And so, because I want to try to really bring you all good content, and I want my channel to grow. And I feel like really the only way to grow is to grow myself, you know, to get better at what I'm trying to accomplish here. You know, and it's, you know, it's all for you guys. You know, I want to be able to create things that inspire. And in order for me to do that, I have to get better at it. So, you know, I'm pretty new at this. And I just want to do my best job possible for you all. You know, I want my channel to be a success, and I want it to be something that you look forward to coming back to every week, you know. Okay, so enough babble. Hope your week's been good. I'm really looking forward to February and all of the, you know, plans that people are going to put out there. I've already seen a bunch of stuff, and I actually had an idea that I shared with Mo on my planner collab group. I just love her. She is just the most uplifting, sweetest person. You know, all of the people in that planner collab group are just fabulous. I said, wouldn't it be neat if we had a challenge that was to decorate a February spread for Valentine's Day that had no pink, no red, nothing bubbly, you know, those colors. They have to do a really off abstract color. And she was like, So you all might be seeing a Valentine's spread from me that is a little bit out there. Just saying. All right, now this is going to be hard because I've got all these stuck together, and I'm hoping that they all come apart together. But you know, they may not. Just gotta take my time. So question for the comments. So do you guys go out for Valentine's Day, whether you're single or married? If you're not married, do you do home watching a movie? Do you do anything? Do you even care? Because quite frankly, I hate Valentine's Day. But I love it because of the candy and the hearts and the reds and the pinks, and you know, that sort of drags me in. Or do you do like Valentine's Day with your girlfriends? Which I think that's what I'm going to start leaning towards. I think I'm going to start trying to get some of my girlfriends together and let's go out to eat for Valentine's Day. All right, this is going to be tricky. I'm going to get it super close to the edge. All right, this is going to go. And the reason I plan it like this is because I had so much stuff to cover. Like, it was crazy. Now, that went super crooked, didn't it? Never fear. There we go. I think my point was to put it like so. Yeah. I love layering. I'm sure that's pretty obvious by now. And so you really do cover up a lot of stuff if you strategically place those stickers. So I'm going to put this one right here because I don't need that showing. And I have a birthday. Oh, no, I did not just do that. What is it with me and tearing stickers lately? I've been tearing lots of stickers. And I got these functional sticker words out of my Live Love Posh book. I have a birthday in February. One of my very best friends' birthday is the 23rd, so I don't want to forget that. Miss Becky. We've been friends for like, I don't know, how long have we been friends? 40-some years? Long time. So I'm going to put this like this and just cover up the goals part because I don't like the goals, but I thought like monthly goals, that would be okay. Okay. Now let's go over here and we'll cover this part up. I know you can still see through that a little bit, but you know what? Everything can't be perfect all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that there to try to camouflage it somewhat. And then I'm going to take this and cover the, right key? Now, I mean, I know there's some few little things still showing, but let's do Don't Forget. And we're going to put Don't Forget down here. And then I'm going to put Reminder. It's going to go, I can get it off the page. Now, these came from the Kill of a Plan, the colored lettering book that she released. That's what that came from. That reminder is going to go right there. Remember is going to go, I'll get it off the page. I think I'm going to put there, and this one is going to be just a little decor. I think I'm going to put that little coffee cup right there, just to sort of cover that up. Cool. All right. I might go in with this right here. I don't like that sticking out. I'm trying to mute that a little bit. Make it not so obvious. And like, if you wanted to like highlight some stuff, you could do that. Like I got some, I was lucky enough to find some mild liners, if I can reach them, on clearance actually at Joann's. And like if you wanted to highlight some stuff, you could just like wisp across. I like to wisp across it and just, you know, do that. I'll probably cover that up. And I mean, you could do, you know, whatever you wanted to. You could, you know, go over it with, you know, the green or like a purple, and you could, you know, try to bring out some of your colors. Just, you can make little lines, you know, and just bring out some whimsy in your planner. Just give it some personality. And sometimes I just like to play around. And, you know, I might not like it. You might not like it. And it just gives it a little something extra, a little coloring or something to give it some personality. And the good news is, if you don't like it, guess what happens? You get to do it all over again next week. So you only have to suffer through for literally a week. So have fun with your spreads. They're supposed to be functional. They're supposed to be fun. And you're supposed to enjoy them. So remember that whenever you're planning. I think we get caught up a lot of times in the plan and all of the stickers, and, you know, we forget that this planner serves a purpose. Now, I do have one tip for you guys. When you're punching your holes and there's adhesive back here from a sticker being covered up, what you need to do, I'm going to show you, before you put this on your punch, you need to pick up this, you need to get your punch out, okay? Take a piece of paper, okay? And just lay this down with the adhesive against the paper. Because this is going to keep your punch from getting all clogged up, okay? So, you know, we'll put it in here, and we'll line it up. And then when you go to punch it, there you go. Any adhesive went on here and down into your punch and didn't clog up your punch areas on your punch, okay? I mean, that's pretty important stuff there. You don't want, those punches are expensive, so you really don't want to get them all gobbed up. All right, guys, this was my currently page. And for those of you who are new, I hope that you enjoyed it. This is from my classic vertical social media planner. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you will consider giving me a like. And I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. And you can also find me on all of my social media platforms at Donna Smith Wilson, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.